This is one of the best scalping setup by far, and now I will teach you how you can use it and how you can trade with it. Since this is a scalping strategy, we're gonna trade on 1 minute time frame and we will trade Nasdaq futures. So what I want you to do now is open up a blank empty chart and now head over to indicators tab and you will search for Flux Charts, right? And after you type in, you will see price action toolkit, you will see SFX algo, and you will see MTF supply and demand zone. Click 3 of them to add to your chart. And by the way, if you still don't have access to Fluxchart, I have grabbed 20% off coupon for you. All you need to do is just type in Borsa in the coupon and you are good to go. So after you add to your chart, you will see something like this. I'm joking. It will be more complicated, but now it's why I'm here. I will teach you and show you the best settings of this setup. And trust me, this whole strategy is crazy profitable. I know you are looking at the chart now and thinking, oh my God, this short, is it real? This long, this short, is there no bad signals? Let's see. You got this fake short here, but after that you got a beautiful long, this short, this long. So relax. I will teach you now. So the first thing I want you to do now is we will go very quickly all the settings. First, the SVX algo. Let's go to that. Sensitivity, you need to change it to 11. And we don't use AI sensitivity optimizer for this video. And the trading style is day trader, trading length is short term, and you can copy all my settings here. If you done that, just hit the OK button. And now we are heading over to MTF supply and demand. Please again copy everything here. Deduction is the momentum, sensitivity is the medium. These are the most important ones. Just take a screenshot or pause the video, you will get it. After you've done that, just hit the OK button. Now we will go to price action toolkit. And in this indicator, we have lot of features and lot of settings. So we will go one by one. No, I'm joking. I will show you all my settings so you can copy, because I have already covered what are they and what are they for. So if you want to watch it, I am putting the link here so you can go and watch it. So we disable the fair value gaps. Yes, that's correct. We will be using inversion fair value gaps in this strategy. We will use breaker blocks. And what else we use, Borsa? We're gonna use the time frames on the chart and equal lows and high for the target. And you can see volume imbalances here. And obviously we use MTF highs and lows like daily, weekly, monthly, and pre-market. They are very, very helpful. If you done that, just hit the OK button. So now the setup is ready and rules are always simple, right? As you can see, I switched to replay mode to show you the real-time examples, and I'm not cherry picking. This is just the day before. So this was the signal and it hit all the take profit levels. I love when the toolkit's giving the take profit levels like this. It gives you 3 different levels and 3 of them got smashed. So here, this is the MTF supply and demand toolkit. If we just disable everything, so you can see this is from the MTF supply and demand zones, right? Let's disable. The price section will giving you IFGs and breaker blocks as we enabled, and the SVX job is to give you buy and the sell signal with the targets. Even you have the stop loss. Voila. All right, so let's enable everything back here. I'm waiting for the next signal. Let's see. We're not cherry picking, right? I just want to show you how you gonna take the trade. So we got a buy signal here. So if you look over to my chart, that you need to consider some couple of things. The first is this signal came at the good place? You are not blindly following the signals. Why? Because we have some confirmation tools, which is a IFG. You want to see inversion fair value gap. IFG means that when the fair value gap got filled, right? It means it's a IFG. Easy like that. So we got it. So we will taking this long position, and this is it. The bonus tip here is you always need to be sure that when you get buy or the sell signal, you want to check this market structure at the moment. You can see that we received this short signal and market tanked, right? So it did a stop hunt, we got to take profit here, and now the first IFG was here. So basically what we're gonna do is to initiate a 5 contracts here like always, and we're gonna put stop loss at the where? Yeah, like he said here. And we're gonna use the TP levels here, but what I want to show you is that since we are scalping on 1 minute and we are on the 5 contracts, we can target a higher levels. Let's see if we have it. We have this level over here. We can use this, right? If the market goes up, we can still write this trade without any emotion. So this is basically the all-time high. Let's see. Now I will be rolling the market to see if we get hit or miss. So my final TP is here. So basically this trade is 2-hour trade. I want to take a partial when we took out this high. This is it. And after we took that, we will move stop at break even. Let's see. Okay, are we in problem? No. Okay, so we hit the partial point here. What I want to do is to take off a 2 contracts here. And after we've done that, basically, like we always do, we're moving our stop at the break even now. This is it. So by the way, on the way, we got IFGs here. Is it a problem? No, because our stop is safe. Trust your system and stick with that. Do not change every week your strategy. If you follow one strategy, test it at least 1 month. This is it. This is the rule. So my final TP is here, but always what you can do is you can put stop at some these levels and you can ride until the price goes. What I'm talking about, Borsa, let me show you. So it's going here, right? Let's see. Oh my God, it's coming back. Are we gonna mad that we didn't took the full TP? No, let's see. Retest supply demand and boom. So you can see that you can trail, right? When the price comes here, you can trail your stop and you know the thing. So this candle was very big. In 1 minute, we see a 50 points. So I couldn't manage it, but you got my point. With this trade, we made $8,000. It's not so hard, right? If you come and check yourself, you will see the date is 3 of July. NQ 1 minute time frame. So since we're not cherry picking, let's roll the market. I want to go until the real-time market data. So you guys will see that I am not cherry picking, ladies and gentlemen. So we are watching the market. Beautiful, beautiful. We're making all-time highs. So here we are. We got the sell signal here. If you remember the rules here, what is the rule? The rule is very simple. You will take a short if you have IFG and if you have the stop hunt. So there is a one thing that the stop loss is very close to my execution. So I can use this session high. I don't know if it comes there or not, but we will see. So we will take a short at 5 contract here. So we are putting a stop loss here and we will be taking a profit at these lows. But as you guys learned it, we can target this session lows also, and this trade is massive, guys. $19,000 for $5,000. It's a 4-hour trade. Can any toolkit give you 4-hour trade? With this scalping strategy, you can get it. All you need is Flux Charts Premium Toolkit. It's not so expensive. It will cost you like only 1 prop account. So not a big deal. You need to invest these tools if you become a constantly profitable trader. But not all of us likes indicators, and I get it. It's a personal choice. I respect everyone's personal choice. I use indicators to simplify my all trading work. I like to use that. You cannot use it. I will use it. You will love it. I can hate it. So that's the thing. Everyone is free. So we're rolling the market. I want to take some partials at these equal lows. Let's see. All right, as you can see that the trade goes very, very well. It didn't even go into drawdown. Crazy, right? So you can trail your stop at the original stop loss. I wanted to feel safe, and you can use this also. When the high of the session is very close to the stop loss here, you can prefer a high of the session, because sometimes price can do this. You go short here, it touches, leaves the wick, and push down. You don't want to see that, right? So if you don't want to see that, it's very easy. You will use the session high, because if you see the new high, the plan is cancelled, ladies and gentlemen. So I want to take a partial when these equal lows got taken. I'm just still waiting. Let's see. Alright, we just touched the equal lows. I will take 2 contracts off here. Now I wanna go a break even on this trade. So my risk is 0 now, right? I'm already made a $2,500 and I don't care what happens next. Actually, I am caring because I wanna make money. So let's roll the market if we get the full TP or not. You can see that we just touched the second TP here. You can do 2 things. You can take maybe one more partial here, right? And you can now trail your stop loss even more aggressively. You can trail your stop here. So look at this trade. Crazy. Congrats, trader. We made $18,800. Borsa, why it stopped? Why you didn't close it? I didn't close it. Look at this. What do you see? The market is open. I'm not cherry picking. I told you this is the real time data. I just go back like 12 hours and show you the perfect examples here. And if you just go back more, you can see we got stopped out here. But do you need to carry about this? Let's go more. You got a beautiful buy here. You got a beautiful short. You got a beautiful buy. Again, we got trapped here. How many trades this? Let's count this. 1, stopped out. 1, we made it. We made it. We made it. Right? Let's see. 3 trades win, 1 trade loss. 1 loss, 1 win, 1 win. And let's see. 1 more win here. This is backtesting, ladies and gentlemen, and this is it. So let's zoom out and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trade win, 2 trade loss. Now, I want you to ask yourself this question. Do you want to invest this kind of tools that increase your win rate, increase your accuracy? If your answer is yes, you see the real life results here. I didn't do anything. My only thing I did is found the perfect settings that works with this premium toolkit from Flux Charts. And I am giving you all my settings for free. All you need to do is switch to 1 minute time frame, go to your favorite ticker. I prefer Nasdaq. You can check out on Nasdaq and trade with that on 1 minute. Scalp, baby. This is it. Making money from trading isn't hard. You need to follow the rules and you need to respect. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching my other videos here. And until the next time, see you soon.